The latest evidence in the Johnny Depp trial gives it a new twist. Amber Heard was made to lose by a fake injury from an actor. This year's biggest highlight was Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's highly publicized defamation battle, which Depp won. Other court documents are making the rounds online regarding the issue, even though their complaint made public important bombshell elements that strongly supported the Pirates of the Caribbean actor. Due to several allegations that the Aquaman actress fabricated her injuries in order to support her claims, their defamation case largely failed to vindicate the former. However, recent reports present a different story. The defamation case involving Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, an ex-couple, began after the latter claimed to be a victim of domestic abuse in an opinion article she wrote for The Washington Post in 2018. Depp suffered greatly as a result of it, particularly in his professional career, even if she did not specifically mention him by name. He lodged a defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife, seeking $50 million in damages because his reputation had been severely damaged. He was countersued for $100 million by the Aquaman actress. The court awarded her $2 million for her counterclaims, while ordering her to pay her ex-husband $10.35 million in damages. She argued that the jury's verdict was unsupported by evidence because the trial did not end in her favor. Heard was openly accused by Depp's attorneys during the trial of doctoring the images of her purported injuries to make her face look more red. During the cross-examination, Camille Vasquez, the 59-year-old actor's attorney, accused Heard of photoshopping the images of her injuries. And you merely increase the saturation from one of these photographs to make your face look more red, Vasquez questioned throughout the interrogation. Heard refuted the allegations, saying she never changed a photo. She was even charged with using cosmetics to fabricate injuries. In the midst of claims that the actress faked her injuries, further revelations revealed that the Fantastic Beasts actor had allegedly done the same. Since the majority of the metadata lacks a creation date, substantial authenticity and manipulation concerns are raised by Mr. Depp's creation. The items that do include creation date metadata largely have dates that are after this complaint was filed, and the metadata discloses the items were modified days before their creation. In this case, the statement reads. The statement in the paper read, as previously claimed by Mr. Johnny Depp, it is necessary that Ms. Amber Heard be given the opportunity to examine this information in order to assess whether, when, and how Mr. Depp has distorted it. Heard's expert asserted that the presented documents might have been altered, citing as an illustration. The declaration of Mr. Depp is supported by images of alleged injuries and scratches that Ms. Heard is said to have caused. The metadata for one image has a create and modify date of 7/24/2019, while the metadata for the other image has no create date and a modify date of 7/4/2020. Which is strange given that Ms. Heard is purported to be the cause of these markings. The manipulation that Depp might have engaged in to support his position in court was called into question by that document. When that document soon appeared online, he came under fire for attempting to edit the audio recordings provided to highlight his confrontations with his